In this video, we'll be showing you how to change the combination code on a Brinks lock. The first thing you're going to want to do is to input the code that is already set on the lock. Once you have that code inserted, then the lock should be free. Open the lock and then rotate it 180 degrees till it is in the back. Then, once it's on the back, push down and hold the top of the lock. Now, you can input any new code that you would like. So for this example, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, once those numbers are set and in line, you want to go ahead and release the top half of the lock and then close it. Put it back into its normal position. The combination for the lock has now been changed to whatever you have entered. It's a good idea to go ahead and test it to make sure that the lock actually changed the combination. So as you can see here, it worked out just fine. And that is how you change the combination on your lock. If you found this video helpful, it would mean a lot if you could hit that like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.